Esta es la revista de la onda corta que digamos que el mundo es mucho más pequeño gracias a la radio. Okay, you can continue now.
All right. There was also something that is quite amazing. We talked about this over the last few weeks. Management, of course, in radio stations has changed dramatically. A lot of people that are managers of stations are not radio people. They're government appointees. When this transition started happening at Radio Netherlands, and that's what you see in place now, what was it like for you to see these people who didn't know anything about radio that came from management schools? You told me this funny story about this guy who was asking, how does a technician know when to play the music?
Yeah. Well,
And you said,
yes. Yeah, well, the funny thing, I think okay, it doesn't really matter who they were, but quite a number, I would say about 15 or 20 people from The Hague who were training to be ambassadors and other diplomatic servants. And every year that school would send their alumni to Radio Netherlands, obviously, because once you are appointed ambassador to a country far away, you have to know at least a little bit about the radio station, the shortwave station of the country you represent. So we would get these young people over once every year. And young, I would say somewhere between 20 and 25. And one of these people asked a question. I got the story later from my assistant from Rosemary, who asked the man who was there, when Mr. Meyer announces a record, we don't see him do anything, and yet the record starts right on the dot. How is that possible? And the man said, well, you see, that's because he's got a knob under the table which he presses with his foot. And so both my assistant and the engineer almost wet themselves laughing. Because obviously that's not the case. But after you've worked with engineers for so long, you don't even have to make a motion with your hand, just one look will tell them, okay, start the record now. Hello, listeners of PCJ Media, broadcasting to you from Taipei, Taiwan. Goodbye, and maybe talk to you soon again.
and on that note, we're going to end right now with Tom Meyer and a song that he recorded many years ago, I'll Be Seeing You. Tom, thank you very much again.
I'll be seeing you, Pete.
Children's carousel.
today, which is June 9th edition of Happy Station. Before we go, I just want to remind you again of the email address to send your reception report, which is very simple, pcjqsl@pcjmedia.com. I also invite you to check out our website to find out more information about us and all the other programs that we have. And you can also listen, not to this program because this show only goes on air, but we have an edition of Happy Station that we send to a number of partner stations around the world. So just go and check that out as well. Anyway, I'm going to leave you right now. We'll see you next week. So on behalf of our technician, Kevin Reed, and our production assistant, Johan Bacher, this is Keith Pavot saying today we're going to end with Happy Days Are Here Again, performed by the Dutch Swing College Band. So until next week, so long, au revoir, auf Wiedersehen, adios amigos, and